Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my Bibbidi Fandoms Unite box. A little bit smaller than the last box, so hopefully I have some good stuff in there. So I'm waiting for May's to come. So this one is April's. I finally just got it. So anyway, let's see what's inside. Okay. I got a Wizarding World of Harry Potter keychain. Wants to cooperate with me. There you go. It's Gryffindor. The official test I took for my house for what Harry Potter is, I'm either a Slytherin or a Ravenclaw, so I'm a Slytherclaw. Hi, Morris. Dobby, be nice. Hi, Morris. Well, his butt, anyway. Come on, show your face. Come on, buddy. He's more interested in the box than anything else. It's okay, buddy. I won't let Dobby hurt you. Oh, yeah, get in the box. Look at him. You're too... Well, okay, you kind of fit. Are you going to have fun with that, Morris? Okay, whatever. Then I have that... Blondie, you can't fit in there, too. Blondie. Silly girl. Then I have these Mickey Mouse ears that are Spider-Man. Spider-Man's really not my favorite, but cool. Then I have the Aristocats lip balm. It's Marie. That's cute. There she is. There's my Blondie. Dobby, I don't know why you're being a butt. Growling at everybody. Then I have this. Looks like a wallet. Let's open that up. Looks like I got a Ahsoka Tano and Grogu wallet. That's so cute. That'll match my I got a Loungefly with Grogu on it. He's eating a frog. So that'll match. Cool. So that was my box. Here's Morris again. Hi, buddy. You comfortable? Yeah. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like these. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Morris, say goodbye. He doesn't care. Alright, bye guys.